This tool is very light. You can see the crimping capacity marked here for 4-pin, 6-pin, 8-pin. This is one side, and this is another side. Yeah. And the side part is like this. This tool could be used for pressing 4-pin, 6-pin, and 8-pin connectors. At the same time, it has a function of wire stripping and cutting. The tool body is made of plastic material, so it's very light and very convenient to carry around. The handle design conforms to ergonomic principle, which is comfortable to use and feels very comfortable in your hand as well. Okay, like this. The blades are of very good quality. The cut-out edge is smooth and burr-free, and the distance between two metal blades is perfect, which can easily strip the rubber sheet of cable without cutting off the network cable. And there is very good protection around the blades, which can effectively avoid work injury. The overall